Hi everybody, so today we replaced the display unit on the Gaggia titanium. This is how it looks like from the inside, and we got a new one inside. So as you can see, we couldn't see anything on the display. I want to zoom in here and just like show you how it works, and also I'll turn off the machine and on. Wait a second, turn it back on. So we see it's working. And now I'll browse around and demonstrate how we operate the water and the steam. So we have the display steam over here. Okay, now turn it off. Press on hot water. Getting hot water. That's good. Now let's make some coffee. I'll go with regular coffee. Alright, so coffee looks great. Display is working, so everything is back to normal. Thank you for watching, and thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee.